Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to your own channel, Elevate English with Geeta ma'am. As you know, this is the story time, and today I am here to going to tell you one of my stories. There was a merchant, and he was very rich. He had two daughters. The name of one daughter was Jasmine, and another was Rose, and both were very beautiful. Jasmine was wise and beautiful enough. At the same time, Rose was drop dead gorgeous. So, whenever he just went off to any travel out of the country or out of the city, so he used to bring lots of gifts to his daughters. So before setting off to his journey, he asked his daughters that what do you want in gift. So Jasmine said that I want one blue colored flower pot. Okay. And Rose said that I want one beautiful attire with pearl necklace. So he thought that now it is really a good time to search these kind of gifts. So when he just reached there in the city, to he sold and purchased the materials, and after that he just did shopping for his girls. He purchased one beautiful pink dress and a pearl necklace for his daughter Rose. And after that, he was searching for that kind of pot where there should be blue colored flowers. And it was really very difficult to find that kind of pot. He searched here and there at every corner, but he found nowhere this kind of a flower pot. So when he was returning to the home, in the way only he saw that one kind of dim light is coming from somewhere in the darkness, and he just followed that light, and his journey and at one potter's home. He was just potting some pots out of clay, and on his surprised what he saw that there was one pot with blue colored flowers. So he just asked the potter, could you please give me this pot, because my girl want this pot as a gift, and I am finding that gift nowhere. So the potter said, I am sorry, I can't give you this pot, because this is my lucky charm. This is my luckiest pot, and I always keep this pot beside me whenever I do work. So he thought that now what to do. He was in a fix, and he was totally perplexed. So he thought that he should manage somehow, that he should get him ready to give that pot to the merchant. So the merchant requested the potter that this is the wish of his daughter Jasmine. She will be very happy if she gets this flower pot with blue colored flowers. So the potter gets agree, and he said that there is only one condition. Only on one condition I am going to give you this pot. After getting this pot, I want to know that what was the reaction of your girl, and you have to fulfill her desire. Okay, so the merchant gets ready, and as he reached home, he gave that beautiful dress to the Rose and necklace as well, and she became extremely delighted. And when he gifted the flower pot to the Jasmine, Jasmine was over the moon, because somewhere she was looking for that kind of flower pot. So after seeing that flower pot, he replied that I wish I could hug that person who has made this beautiful flower. And just after listening her statement, merchant was in surprise that now what to do. now I have to fulfill my promise that I had made with the potter. So the next morning, they went to the potter's house with his daughter. Okay, she reached there and she hugged the potter. He turned into a prince, and she was really surprised because he was an old man. And after hugging him, he turned into a handsome prince. So it was really very astonished moment. So the king told him that I was under a spell of a witch. Actually, a witch was there who wants to get this pot, but I was not ready to give my pot to her. So she just made me turn into an old man, and as I got some very generous person's gesture, so I would be in my actual form. So that's why now I am in my actual form as a prince. So seeing this, the merchant became very happy, and she decided to do the marriage of his daughter with the prince. So in this way, the story was a happy end. I think you would love the story. Bye bye and have a nice day.